Hello everyone, hearty welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh. So this is very great day for us because we have been reached our 100th video. So I am thankful for each and everyone, the viewers, subscribers and well-wishers, friends, relatives for supporting me and giving motivation, giving suggestions at all the times. So S Square Maths YouTube channel is meant for totally mathematics right from the 6th class to intermediate. At the same time, it is also meant for other competitive examinations, Olympiads, tips and trips, etc. So the same support, the motivation, suggestions will be continued from the same day here itself. So previously we completed 1000 subscribers also. At the same time I am expecting more viewers, the sharing the videos to your near and dear, etc. So once again I am very thankful for all the viewers and subscribers and well-wishers for subscribing my channel and supporting me in each step. Thank you one and all. So now the 100th video follows. It is very important, very interesting, related to numbers. So a problem on sum of the digits. The problem comes under the digits, sum of the digits of the value of the expression. So here, find the sum of the digits of the value of this expression 3333 so on 3333 the whole square to 2021 digits. So don't be scared by seeing the question. So it's very easy. Let us start our solution now, how to proceed. So this type of problems are very important for Olympiads and IIT JEE Foundation, BITSAT, MSET and even in the school level for various examinations. Okay, let us start now. Here, so to do this problem, we are going to generalize the given expression. Okay, so if you consider the expression here, there are number of threes are here, nothing but there are 2021 digits here. So for they asked the sum of the digits of the expression, they asked the sum of the digits for after doing the whole square. So here the generalization follows, first the number of digits, next the expression, next the value, next the sum of the digits. So here for 1, here it is nothing but the expression is 3 square, nothing but only 1 we are going to consider, 1 3, so nothing but 3 square. So 3 square is 9, as you know very well. So for this, obviously the sum of the digits is 9, only the one digit. Next, if you consider the number of digits are 2, so 2 is nothing but we have to consider our 2 digits. Which 2 digits here? 3 and 3. So 33 square here, nothing but it is 1089 after doing the square. So what is the sum of the digits here? 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 9 gives you 18. Next, the number of digits are 3. 3 stands for here. Our 3 stands for 333, the whole square. Okay, 333, the whole square. Number of digits are 3. So if you square, you are going to get here 110889. Okay, nothing but 1,10,889. For this, the sum of the digits is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9, which is equal to our 27. Next, in the same way, if you are going to consider our 4 digits here, 4 digits nothing but up to 3333 the whole square, 3333 the whole square. For this, if you are going to do the square, here you are going to get, this is a value expression. Now here the sum of the digits nothing but directly I am writing here 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So here it gives you next 9 12, next here 8 into 3 24. So finally you are going to get here the sum of the digits as 36. Okay. So in the same way you can go on generalize here. So for 33333 the whole square you are going to get expression the sum of the digits. So here let us observe the pattern here, the system follows. Now the observation. What is the observation here? For 1 digit 3 square 9, 2 digits it is 1089, it is nothing but sum of the digits is 18. For 3 it is 333 square, the expression is this one, sum of the digits is 27. Next for 4, 3333 square nothing but this value, its sum of the digits is 36. So if you observe carefully here the relation between the number of digits and sum of the digits, nothing but 1 and 18, next 1 and 9, next 2 and 18, next 3 and 27, next 4 and 36. So it's very easy now, we can generalize here, nothing but 9 you will get by 9 ones are 9, next 9 into 2 is 18, next 9 into 3 is 27 and 9 into 4 is nothing but 36. So 9 into 5 is 45. So like this is the observation. So for 1 digit, next 2 digit square, next 3 digit square, in the same way 4 digit square, this is the observation. Okay. So after doing this one, so we are going to generalize now the value of the expression for the digits to 2021 digits is nothing but 9 into 2021. So you are going to get 18189. So 18,189 after doing the square of the digits of the expression here 2021 digits. Okay. So I hope so you like this video very much. Okay. Once again have a look. So far those who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, like, comment, share to your near and dear so that I'll get the motivation, and you can use the comment box especially for the suggestions. Okay. So this is a 100th video. Due to your great support I have done these many videos and motivation. The same it is going to happen in the coming days. Okay. Once again I am very thankful to all your near and dear well-wishers, friends, relatives for supporting me in each and every step of my work. So signing out, this is your Santosh.